Hey everyone, Marina here, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be super special because I want to bring you behind the scenes of how I prepare for a craft show. If you are a fellow crafter or just curious about the process, keep watching. First of all, welcome to my studio. This is where I do pretty much everything related to my business, and I absolutely love being in this creative space. Today's first task is to restock some of my winter bestsellers, the twisted headbands. I use the Addi knitting machine as it helps me stay productive and allows me to offer a more affordable option compared to crocheting headbands. But first, check out this amazing view from my window. Isn't it beautiful? I live close to the lake, so I'm so grateful for this little special place and the opportunity to have this view from my studio. Here are the headbands already made, and this is the yarn I'm going to be using with my knitting machine, which is an Addi Express king size. I've got my coffee ready, so I start by casting on, beginning with some scrap yarn for easier casting off later. After a few rows, I switch to the correct yarn and continue cranking. Once I'm done, I work a few more rows with scrap yarn and cast off. I secure both sides with my crochet hook and remove the scrap yarn for a clean result. Now it's time to sew the twisted front of the headband using a yarn needle, and this is the final result. I now spend the next few hours making more headbands so I can offer multiple colors so my client have a wide range of options to choose from. Moving on to my jewelry. If you don't know, I'm actually a jewelry maker as well. I create copper wire wrapping pendants with natural stones. One tedious but necessary step is making the cords for my pendants. I use wax cotton, the same material used for macrame. Once the cord is complete, I'll insert it through the pendant and then make sliding knots so the final clients can choose their preferred length. Here I'm working on some new pendants. If you are curious, here are some of my latest creations. I sell them mostly in person at craft shows because shipping has become really expensive. However, feel free to have a look at some of my available pieces online on my website and Etsy shop. I leave the link down below. In the meantime, I took a break, went to my yoga studio and took a shower. When I got back, I received a delivery I've been waiting for. One package contained these adorable terracotta pots for my crochet cacti. People go crazy about these little plants, and to be honest, I'm quite obsessed too. I don't have a green thumb, so these are the only plants that survive in my apartment. I also got a delivery of yarn for my beanies and headbands from Hobby. It's always so exciting to unbox some new yarn, right? Here are some colors I ordered. Okay, I'm totally obsessed with this color. Time to tidy up my yarn stash, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes vlog. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment below about your favorite part. See you next time.